Yoga is one of those things that people often talk about, but don't always understand the true power of. But let me tell you, it's not just about bending and twisting your body into weird shapes. It's so much more than that. It has the potential to completely transform your life. And I'm excited to explore that with you today. We've all been there, feeling stressed, anxious, or just plain stuck in our lives. We're constantly on the go, always connected, and yet we're more disconnected from ourselves than ever. We struggle to quiet our minds, to find focus, or to just plain feel good in our own skin. And that's exactly where yoga comes in, as a tool to help us overcome these challenges and find a sense of balance and harmony in our lives. Stress is a major one for many of us. We feel overwhelmed, like we're drowning in a sea of responsibilities and tasks and deadlines. And anxiety can be just as debilitating, making it hard to sleep, to concentrate, or to just enjoy the little things. But yoga has been shown time and time again to reduce both stress and anxiety, helping us to feel more grounded and centered. Lack of focus is another big one. We sit in front of our screens, scrolling mindlessly through social media or watching YouTube videos, feeling like we're not really accomplishing anything. But yoga can help us cultivate focus, helping us to stay present and mindful, even in the midst of chaos. And then there's the physical stuff. We might struggle with back pain, or inflexibility, or just feeling plain old tired all the time. But yoga can help with all of that too, increasing our flexibility, strengthening our bodies, and giving us a sense of energy and vitality. So what exactly is it about yoga that makes it so powerful? For one, it's a physical practice that helps to balance our bodies and calm our minds. It's also a mental practice that helps us to cultivate focus, discipline, and self-awareness. And it's an emotional practice that helps us to tap into our feelings, to process our emotions, and to find a sense of inner peace. When we start to incorporate yoga into our daily routines, amazing things start to happen. We start to feel more confident, more grounded, and more connected to ourselves and the world around us. We start to sleep better, to eat better, and to take care of ourselves in ways that we never thought possible. And we start to transform, not just on the mat, but in our daily lives. I want to share a story with you about someone whose life was completely transformed by yoga. Her name is Sarah, and she was a total type A personality, always on the go, always pushing herself to be better, to do more, to achieve more. But she was also struggling with anxiety and feeling overwhelmed all the time. She started doing yoga just a few times a week, and at first she found it really tough. She wasn't flexible, she couldn't touch her toes, and she felt like she was going to die in downward-facing dog. But she stuck with it, and slowly but surely, she started to notice changes in her body, in her mind, and in her spirit. She started to feel more calm, more centered, and more grounded. She started to sleep better, to eat better, and to take care of herself in ways that she never thought possible. And she started to see the world in a whole new way, as a place of beauty, of wonder, and of endless possibility. So what can we take away from Sarah's story? First, that yoga is for everyone, no matter how inflexible or anxious or stuck we might feel. Second, that even small amounts of yoga can make a huge difference in our lives. And third, that the power of yoga lies not just in the physical practice itself, but in the way it helps us to connect with ourselves and with the world around us. So let's recap. Yoga is not just a physical practice, but a powerful tool that can help us to overcome stress, anxiety, and lack of focus, and to find a sense of balance, harmony, and inner peace. It's a practice that can transform our daily routines and our lives in ways that we never thought possible. And it's a practice that's available to anyone, no matter where we are on our journey. So I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried yoga? And what were your experiences like? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you're new to yoga or just looking to deepen your practice, be sure to check out my next video where we'll be exploring more of the benefits of yoga and how to make it a sustainable part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.